Hello, dear friends. I hope you are all doing well. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about nouns. We will learn what they are, why they are important, and how we use them in English. Dear friends, a noun is a word that helps us identify a person, a thing, an animal, or a place. Look, my friends, when a baby is born, the first thing we do is give that baby a name so that he or she can be known in society. Or when something new is invented, the first thing we do is name it so people can recognize it by its name. The same goes for animals or places. Not my friends. We don't only give names to physical things, we also name things that don't have a physical body. For example, peace, pain, freedom. Look, my friends, these things don't have a physical form, but we can still name them. Now that you understand what a noun is, let's talk about the types of nouns. Dear friends, there are two types of nouns in English: countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Let's begin by talking about countable nouns. Dear friends, countable nouns are the kinds of nouns that can be counted, like one, two, three. And when they are counted, they can also be made plural. Examples of countable nouns: car, house, doctor, laptop. These are examples of nouns you can count. You can say one laptop, two laptops, and so on. Now let's talk about uncountable nouns. Dear friends, uncountable nouns are nouns that cannot be counted. Since they can't be counted, they also don't become plural. Examples of uncountable nouns: water, oil, rice, sugar, hair. Dear friends, these are examples of uncountable nouns. You don't say one water, two waters. You can't count them in the same way. So, that was today's lesson about nouns, my friends. I hope you understood it well and found it helpful. Now, we have a practice page. I mean, we have to practice grammar section. It is very easy lesson, my friends. Try to practice it by yourself. Now, filling the blanks. And now we have a dialogue. I will read it, so listen carefully and then practice it by yourself after me. A. Hello, can I ask you something about grammar? B. Sure, what do you want to know? A. I don't understand what a noun is. B. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. A. O. Like teacher, house, or freedom. B. Exactly, those are nouns. A. What is the difference between countable and uncountable nouns? B. Countable nouns can be counted: one apple, two apples. And uncountable nouns? B. They can't be counted, like milk or rice. Now we have some useful vocabulary words with examples. I'll pronounce them and then you should memorize them. Noun, countable, uncountable, thing, idea, water, sugar. Now it is your turn. Repeat the grammar section on your own and make sure to complete your homework. Practice the dialogue several times by yourself and also make sure to memorize the vocabulary. Dear friends, if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support helps me continue working sincerely and sharing more useful lessons with you. Dear students, if you would like to take this course in our 1 hour online classes where you will practice live dialogues, get your exercise checked, and receive feedback on your mistakes, and by the end of the course speak English fluently, you can send a message to the email address below for more information and registration. Until next time, bye.